When the frequency of the body, mind, soul aligns with the divine intelligence of the universe, the flow of life is such that the experience itself becomes the input and the output, intent and the manifestation, journey and the destination, and the expression of the experience and the letting go of the experience. This is me, Sanjana Prakash, and my trip to Kerala was part of such a divine experience for me. After experiencing the beauty and wisdom of the Periyar River in Kalady, the Jannasthana of Srimad Adi Shankaracharya, I went to Back to Roots, an Ayurvedic retreat in Thrissur. This retreat exuded the energy of purity. Purity in terms of the cleanliness, the hygiene. Purity in terms of the treatment plans that the Vaidyas came up with. Purity in terms of the awesome, authentic Ayurvedic treatments. And of course, purity in terms of the light, yummy, delicious food that I enjoyed every day. The cottage I stayed in was so cozy and comfortable, surrounded by greenery, and it also opened up to something like a mini forest, which also led to a farm. Being so thoroughly nourished every single day, spending so much time in nature, looking at and observing the nature, being at the farm, looking at the animals, feeding the cows, feeding the fishes, looking at the ducks quack all day long, all this created a safe space for me to see and meet different aspects of myself, which in turn created an experience of me loving myself even more. And I also loved the places of worship, the temple of Dhanvantri, the god of Ayurveda, the temple of Ganesha, the Tulsi Katte. It was all mesmerizing. And after feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, regenerated and relaxed, I left for my next destination, Varkala. And Varkala matched my renewed energy completely. Varkala has a stunning view of the beach and it was so much fun to experience the majestic vibe of the beach, which kept changing throughout the day and night. The cliff has so many cute cafes, and I enjoyed my early breakfast and early dinner at Aba and San Francisco every single day. Apart from the beach and cafes, the best part about Varkala is its shopping. And of course, I enjoyed the shopping there. I attended a Mandala making workshop, I visited the Jatayu center, and I also visited a mangrove forest. And to sum up this divine experience, I just have to say, wow, thank you.